The Xpeng G9. The Xpeng G9 is more than just another electric SUV, it's a statement of ambition, innovation, and the future of smart mobility from one of China's most daring EV manufacturers. Xpeng, also known as Xpeng Motors, has consistently pushed the limits of what a modern electric vehicle can be, and with the G9, it's clear that they've created something that blends performance, technology, luxury, and futuristic design in one seamless package. When you look at the Xpeng G9, you realize it's not just competing with other electric SUVs, it's challenging giants like the Tesla Model X, BMW X, and Audi Q8 e-tron head-on, offering an experience that's deeply rooted in intelligence and user-centered design. From the moment you first see the G9, it feels like a vehicle built from the future. Its design language is sleek, clean, and futuristic, yet not overdone. The front end carries Xpeng's signature light bar that stretches across the entire width of the vehicle, giving it a distinctive and recognizable face, especially at night. The smooth surfaces, flush door handles, and minimal lines create an aerodynamic silhouette that looks elegant yet powerful. Every curve and contour serves a purpose, reducing drag and improving efficiency, while making sure the G9 turns heads wherever it goes. It's not trying to scream for attention like some electric vehicles, instead, it exudes quiet confidence and sophistication. The proportions are just right for a mid to large SUV. It stands tall with a strong stance, emphasizing both presence and practicality. The G9 sits on large wheels, giving it a bold road presence. The rear design is equally striking, featuring a continuous LED taillight bar that mirrors the front light strip. Xpeng calls this design approach X-Robot Face, symbolizing intelligence and emotion, a car that feels alive, aware, and futuristic. Step inside the Xpeng G9, and you're immediately surrounded by an atmosphere of calmness, modernity, and digital luxury. The cabin is crafted with high-quality materials, from soft-touch leather to aluminum accents, creating a feeling that easily rivals premium European brands. The interior layout is minimalist, but not in a way that sacrifices usability. It's designed around the user experience, ensuring every function is just a voice command or touch away. Dominating the dashboard are two large high-resolution displays, seamlessly integrated into the dash. One is the main infotainment screen, and the other provides vehicle information and secondary controls. The G9 runs Xpeng's latest operating system, XSmartOS 4.0, which is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8155 chipset. This means the system is incredibly responsive, capable of handling complex multitasking and real-time visualizations with ease. The interface is clean, fast, and visually appealing, offering a true next-generation digital experience. But the Xpeng G9 is not just about screens and fancy graphics, it's about intelligence. The heart of this SUV lies in its smart features powered by Xpeng's advanced driver assistance system, Xpilot. The G9 comes equipped with Xpilot 4.0, which is one of the most advanced autonomous driving systems developed by a Chinese automaker. It uses multiple lidar sensors, high-definition cameras, radar, and ultrasonic sensors to perceive the environment in incredible detail. Xpilot 4.0 is designed to handle everything from highway driving to city navigation, lane changes, parking, and even urban traffic scenarios with minimal driver input. Xpeng's approach to autonomous technology is unique. They've focused on creating a vehicle that can think ahead, anticipate driver needs, and learn from behavior over time. The G9 can map its surroundings in real time, detect objects up to several hundred meters away, and make intelligent driving decisions. It's not just about following lines or maintaining distance, it's about predicting movement and reacting naturally. Then comes the performance, where the Xpeng G9 truly shines. Built on Xpeng's new SEPA 2.0 architecture, the G9 is available in both single and dual-motor variants. The base model comes with a rear-mounted electric motor producing around 313 horsepower, which is already impressive for an electric SUV. But if you go for the dual-motor version, the numbers climb dramatically. The performance model boasts up to 551 horsepower and 717 Nm of torque, allowing the G9 to accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in just about 3.9 seconds. That's supercar territory in an SUV body. This blistering performance is matched with remarkable control and comfort. The G9 features an advanced suspension system that combines double wishbones at the front and a multi-link setup at the rear. In higher trims, air suspension further enhances the ride, automatically adjusting height and damping based on driving conditions. Whether you're gliding over city roads or tackling a twisty mountain route, the G9 feels balanced, composed, and confident. And then there's the range, one of the most crucial aspects for EV buyers. Xpeng has equipped the G9 with cutting-edge battery technology. Depending on the variant, the G9 offers ranges between 570 and 702 km on the CLTC cycle, which translates to roughly 450 to 550 km in real-world driving conditions. But what really sets the G9 apart is its charging speed. Xpeng introduced an 800-volt electrical architecture, one of the first of its kind in a production SUV, which allows the G9 to charge from 10% to 80% in just about 15 minutes when connected to a 480 kW Xpeng supercharger. This makes long-distance travel incredibly convenient and virtually eliminates range anxiety. The charging system is also bi-directional, meaning the G9 can power external devices, other vehicles, or even your home in an emergency. It supports V2L vehicle-to-load technology, allowing owners to use the SUV as a massive portable power source for outdoor adventures, camping trips, or work equipment. Xpeng has clearly designed this SUV not just as a mode of transport but as a lifestyle companion. Inside, the experience is elevated even further by one of the most immersive in-car entertainment systems in any SUV today. The G9 features a Dolby Atmos 7.1.4 surround sound system with 28 speakers strategically placed around the cabin. The sound experience is breathtaking. It's like being inside a concert hall, with crystal clear audio and deep, rich bass. Every passenger enjoys a cinematic experience, whether they're listening to music, watching a movie, or simply relaxing on the road. The front seats are not just seats, they're luxury pods. They come with heating, ventilation, and massage functions, providing first-class comfort for long journeys. Rear passengers also enjoy generous legroom and optional reclining seats with massage and climate control. The panoramic sunroof stretches across the top, flooding the cabin with natural light, while an advanced air purification system ensures the air quality inside remains pristine. One of the most remarkable aspects of the G9 is its seamless integration of AI and voice control. Xpeng's voice assistant can respond to multiple wake words, process simultaneous commands from different passengers, and execute complex instructions instantly. For example, you can say, "I'm feeling hot," and the car automatically lowers the temperature or opens the window slightly. The system doesn't just respond, it understands context, tone, and intent. It's like having a conversation with your car. The G9 also offers over-the-air updates, allowing Xpeng to constantly improve features, enhance performance, and introduce new functionalities remotely. This ensures the car stays relevant and up-to-date throughout its lifetime. Xpeng's approach to software-driven vehicles reflects the company's vision of cars as smart, evolving digital devices rather than static machines. In terms of safety, the G9 sets a high standard. The SUV is built on a rigid aluminum steel hybrid frame designed to absorb and distribute impact energy efficiently. It's equipped with a comprehensive suite of active and passive safety features, including adaptive cruise control, collision mitigation, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, cross-traffic alert, and automatic emergency braking. Xpeng's proprietary safety system continuously monitors surroundings to protect both occupants and pedestrians. Even the small details have been carefully considered. The doors close softly with an automatic suction feature, the ambient lighting adjusts to your mood or driving mode, and the digital key allows you to unlock the vehicle with your smartphone. The overall sense of refinement and intelligence throughout the G9 makes it feel more like a premium luxury vehicle than just a typical EV. When it comes to practicality, the Xpeng G9 offers ample cargo space, both in the trunk and under the front hood, or frunk. The rear seats fold flat, expanding storage for large items, making it a versatile companion for families and travelers. Xpeng also focused heavily on acoustic engineering, minimizing road noise and wind interference. As a result, the G9's cabin remains whisper quiet even at high speeds, a true mark of refinement. What really makes the Xpeng G9 so fascinating is the way it blends futuristic innovation with everyday usability. It's not a concept car, it's a production SUV you can actually buy and drive today, yet it feels years ahead of its time. Xpeng has proven that cutting-edge technology and comfort can coexist beautifully in one package. Xpeng's ambition with the G9 also extends beyond China. This SUV is designed with global markets in mind, and Xpeng has already started expanding to Europe, offering the G9 in countries like Norway, Denmark, and the Netherlands. The company knows that European buyers value design, performance, and build quality, so it made sure the G9 meets or even surpasses international standards. In Europe, the G9 has already been praised for its ride quality, build refinement, and feature set. Many reviewers have noted that the G9 feels like a legitimate rival to the best electric SUVs from Germany and the US. It's a symbol of how Chinese automakers have evolved from being fast followers to true innovators. The story of Xpeng as a company also adds depth to the G9's identity. Founded in 2014, Xpeng has always been a technology-driven brand. It has invested heavily in research and development, with dedicated teams working on autonomous driving, AI, connectivity, and smart manufacturing. The G9 represents the culmination of these efforts. It's the company's flagship, a showcase of what Xpeng stands for: intelligence, innovation, and a user-first approach. The G9's production takes place in Xpeng's highly automated Zhaoqing smart manufacturing base, which is often described as one of the most advanced EV factories in China. With a high degree of automation and precision, Xpeng ensures every G9 that rolls off the line meets stringent quality standards. From an ownership perspective, Xpeng also provides an extensive digital ecosystem. Through the Xpeng app, owners can remotely control functions like preconditioning the cabin, checking battery status, locating the vehicle, or even summoning it autonomously from a parking spot. The integration of cloud services allows for seamless updates and data sharing across devices. But perhaps what makes the Xpeng G9 truly stand out is the emotional connection it builds with its driver. It's not just a machine, it's a partner that learns, adapts, and evolves. Every drive feels personalized because the car remembers your preferences, seat position, climate settings, favorite routes, and even your music taste. Over time, it feels less like you're driving a car and more like you're collaborating with a digital companion. The future of mobility is not just electric, it's intelligent, connected, and user-centered. The Xpeng G9 perfectly embodies that philosophy. It proves that electric vehicles can be as thrilling, luxurious, and emotionally engaging as any petrol-powered SUV. Xpeng has successfully created a bridge between cutting-edge technology and the human experience. In a world where every automaker is racing toward electrification, Xpeng has taken a step further by emphasizing intelligence and emotional design. The G9 doesn't just move you physically, it moves you emotionally. It's a reminder that the car of the future isn't just about range or speed, it's about interaction, learning, and evolution. The Xpeng G9 represents a bold vision of where the automotive world is headed. It's a vehicle that's not afraid to challenge convention, blending luxury, technology, and performance in a way that feels effortless. It's an SUV that thinks for itself, communicates intuitively, and adapts to your lifestyle. And as Xpeng continues to innovate and expand globally, the G9 stands as a beacon of what's possible when creativity meets technology. It's not just a car, it's a glimpse into the intelligent, electric, and connected world of tomorrow.